Ito po yung ganap last Saturday and late edit ko kasi nagka-problema ako sa pag-editing ko dahil naghahanap ako ng edit application sa aking laptop kaso nga lang lahat may bayad na. And ngayon talagang nagkaroon ako ng problema. But anyway, ito yung ganap last Saturday. Pumunta kami sa IKEA dahil nung last upload ko at minention ko na bibili ako ng aking desk para sa isang sa closet room namin dahil nga yung isang cabinet ay binigay ko na po. So ngayon, samahan nyo kami and then soon makikita nyo po. Panoorin nyo tong video hanggang end kasi yung aking nabili na desk ay tapos na. And I'm really grateful na talagang nakabili ako. Happy ako. Thank you, Lord.
The most annoying place in the
Yeah,
world.
you don't like it. Yeah, you don't like the place to go. Sabi ng asawa ko, ayaw daw niyang pumunta dito kasi ang daming tao, saka alam mo na, siyempre, ayaw niya ng medyo magulo. But anyway, nandito na kami. 500,
No, 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 no.
1,325. Complete set. Yeah. Vanity mirror.
Why?
No, that's the one I looked at. Vanity mirror cabinet. Oh, that's it.
3 in 1. Sometimes they have
Vanity. Actually, ang plano ko sanang bilhin is yung vanity mirror cabinet pero nagbago ang aking isip. So, mas maganda pala na desk na lang. So, yun po ang focus namin. Sabi ng mister ko, yun ang magandang yung desk na lang kaysa yung vanity mirror. So, bibili na lang ako ng mirror. But anyway, abangan ang end. Ipapakita ko sa inyo.
this.
Yeah.
If you're finished, you can and then put like this.
So, ito yung first option namin. Kaso nga lang, napaka-weird niya, no? Tapos ganito siya, no? Pag gagamitin mo, pwede mo siyang iangat para humaba. And after that, pwede mo siyang palitin para agaw ng space. So, sabi ko, ang pangit naman. So, sabi ko, tingin na lang ng ibang option. So, yun lang naman. In-explain ng husband ko. So, ayaw ko ng kanyang style. And medyo mahal nga ang presyo niya. But anyway, ito yung mga kaganapan. At talagang may nakita kong maganda. $5.19. I don't like the color. Yeah. This is, I think, for the saving.
Huh? No, they just put something there. But officially, it's also because you can put the screen here on top of it.
Yeah, the screen, the two screen.
You can put the screen.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
I don't know. It's maybe no. I think it's this.
Yeah,
You know what I forgot?
yeah.
I forgot for the measuring.
Oh, yeah, that's true. Maliban sa akin, yung mister ko, tumingin-tingin din siya ng desk. Kasi yung closet room namin, mga loves ko, empty na po actually yung side. So, pwede kami maglagay ng aking desk and desk niya para meron na kami sariling desk ba. So, yun, but priority namin ngayon yung akin. And then, sa kanya naman ay siya ang sunod. This is also nice.
No, but the problem is that you don't have space
Yeah,
under.
yeah, because it's already everything. Yeah.
Oh, this is also again living room, but that for the TV stuff.
Ito nga mga kabsat, yung table. Kasi yung table namin ay luma na po yun. And binigay po ng aking client that was 17 years ago. So malaki and nasisira na din siya. So ngayon, yun ang namin next plano ay itong dining table. Alam nyo, is very affordable yung kanyang presyo. So yun nga at kailangan namin yan soon but not now. So kuha kami ng small table for 4-seaters. Ito po yung option namin. And may iba siyang kulay, may brown, may green. So, but anyway, yun lang. And hanap na kami.
Ah, this one. Okay.
Yeah, that
no, no,
one.
no, no. I saw online,
Yeah,
but I didn't like trust it because it doesn't have wheels.
yeah. And
This
this
one has
one,
wheels.
yes. This one we have talked.
Something like this.
Yes.
But this one didn't
Yeah.
have a good size.
Yeah.
But I like it because it's like wood,
Yeah,
sturdy.
yeah.
The one I buy that was the cheap one, right?
Yun nga, bumili kami ng ganito sa online. And nakita nga yung mister ko, dumaan kami dito. Sabi niya, ay mas maganda daw yan. But anyway, ang bigat niyan, no? And dyan ka na pwede kami dyan maghiwa-hiwa and everything. But yun, nakabili nga kami kasi nga, di ba, nung last January, nakalipat kami ng bahay. So, ito nga, yan. Sabi niya mas maganda daw yan. But anyway, meron na kami yan. So, yun lang, nakita lang niya at napansin niya.
This one.
And how much? 189. Wow.
But this
Yeah.
Now this is also wood.
Also wood.
Yeah, it's also.
So, tinignan namin to kasi ito yung binigay ng friend ko noon and yan po yung ginagamit ko dati sa aking room and binigay lang namin ng free. So, sabi ko, swerte yung binigyan ko kasi mahal na. Saka yun, maganda yung quality noon. Ano siya, real wood. Kaya yun at nakita namin. Cabinet. All the cabinet. 458.
I have nightmare already.
Yeah.
First, I wanted something like this.
Yeah. With the mirror. Yeah.
Like this, and then the other side.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. 893.
For our house, no.
Yeah. Yeah, we need that. We need the furniture. Wait, Hannah, I have trending. Wait, babe.
You have to look at the number.
Yeah, here. First the.
You have to go right.
Mm-hmm. You need the number? Yeah. Hanap ko na yung gusto kong desk. So, abangan soon. Kasi papakita ko sa inyo. Panoorin nyo hanggang dulo. Dahil makikita nyo po yung napakaganda. Pick a point.
Waar is de pick-up point?
Yeah. Bumili na din ako ng upuan. So, tinitingnan namin kung saan namin pipikapin. So, nabayaran na lahat. And sabi ng mister ko, ihatid muna to. But anyway, sabi ko wag na. So, ito na po siya mga loves. And papakita ko sa inyo. Napakamura. Lahat-lahat na po yan. Ang total is 187 euros. Kasama na po yung upuan. And tawag niyan, napakaganda kasi marami siyang space and marami siyang cabinet, drawers. Nandyan na po lahat ng mga gamit ko. So, kasi ang problema ko dahil yung aking mga gamit kung saan-saan, yung mga makeup, ganyan. So, ang dami po niyang drawers. I recommended this. Tingnan nyo naman, ang dami niyang space. Ayusin ko pa yan. And meron siyang 3 top na pwede mong gamitin. Yan. And itong upuan na din, nabili ko itong upuan. And ito na po yung aking mga makeup. And very organized na po. At marami akong space talaga. And marami na din akong natapon na yung mga lagay na makeup ko. So, napakamura niya. And dito na din na po ako mag-edit and lahat ng mga gamit ko nandito na rin. Talagang napaka-suspicious itong cabinet na to. So yun, and anyway, yun lang po at sana natapos nyo itong video na to at kung nagustuhan nyo, pwede nyo po i-like. And then pag hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe, then please do the subscribe button, okay? So maraming salamat sa mga nanood ng aking videos. Thank you, I do appreciate. And mag-ingat kayo lagi. Mag-comment kayo kung maganda ba o hindi, okay? Basta akin, happy ako at napakaganda. Gustong gusto ko siya. So yun lang, bye and God bless everyone. And see you again on my next one. Thank you.